Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Alright, guess what? I've decided to get vaccinated. You'll be like, huh? Yeah, really? Yeah. I decided to get vaccinated, and it's the reason is really strange. My wife is pushing me to do it, and I'll tell you what happened actually. Women have this way of always nudging you and telling you, come on, you need to do it, and this and that. So my wife has been talking about the vaccine for, I think, nearly month and a half. Her mother, brother, sister, the entire family got the vaccine. One is the Chinese Sinovac that is famous and that is rampant in Thailand. And the second one was morning. The second vaccine is AstraZeneca. Yeah. So the first one was Sinovac, and then they take AstraZeneca, and then they take a booster. Now, I'll tell you, I'm not an expert in all these vaccines, and I just read. Obviously, when you read blogs, and they'll give the plus, the minus. Oh, you should not take mix, you should take one brand, and you should take this is Moderna is good, and AstraZeneca is okay, Sinovac is Chinese, it's bad, and Russian is something, and if you get into all this, you'll go mad. As it is, there are so many brands, and then everyone's saying you take this brand, it's not good, don't mix and match. And then on top of that, you have these scary stories. In fact, in Thailand, I'll put the link below. There is a story of a Thai woman, young girl, 20-year-old. She not only got after she took the second vaccine, she got a blood clot. She lost her leg. This actually happened, Thailand. The link is down below. She lost her leg, and then later on she got a brain hemorrhage and she died. Now, imagine you read stories like these. What will be your frame of mind? And then on top of that, you have stories, Facebook, these videos. One mother, she was with her daughter and she got a vaccine, and now her entire body is trembling and she's paraplegic or something like that. So see, the thing is, if you want to make yourself paranoid, you just have to Google search all these stories. It'll make you mad. People died and this and that. But then yesterday when I was talking to my friend, who's a model, she didn't want to get the vaccine, but she is in UAE. But she had to, because if you have to go take modeling gigs and contracts without a vaccine, many places they don't entertain. So she had no choice. Okay. So even though she didn't want to get the vaccine done, what she told me in the end was the reason why we know about these bad news is because right now people are talking about it. If you actually look back at the past, so many people have taken so many medicines and vaccines, but nobody reports about the adverse side effects because there's no demand for that. Nobody is bothered. See, being a social media guy, I'm aware that if if there is a trending topic and you talk about it, well, people will share, and that's what media companies want. Right now, the trending topic is COVID. Even now, the trending topic is these vaccines. So obviously people will talk about it. So anyway, now that fear was there, okay? That concern, I wouldn't say fear. For me at least, the concern was there. Okay, and I'm more like, if it's not broken, why fix it, you know? But then my wife was like constantly, hey, we need to take it. Okay, now there are only two possibilities that will happen. One is I take it and nothing will happen. You know, which most probably I believe that's the situation. I'll see if I can take a video later on. I don't think they will allow for me to take a video when I'm getting the vaccine. They might allow a photograph, but then again, we don't know. Okay, so one is a vaccine, and I know for a fact, I'm not afraid of needles. All this is needles. So, but the funny thing is, when a nurse comes to give me an injection, she always has to search, oh, where is your vein? Only someone with experience can see my vein. Someone without experience, they're like, where to search? See, you can't see you can see the vein like it's like a swelling, you know, where the blood flows. But otherwise it's very hard to see through my skin, you know. So you need to have an eye and experience. Oh, some of the young nurses, they will wear and they'll jab and jab and jab. And they think that I'm going to, oh shit, you're jabbing me. For me, give a fuck, yeah. You can jab. I've taken so many needles. I've literally seen people who, when they get jabbed with a needle, they're screaming and shouting and crying, and it's a bloody needle, man. But I guess people have this fear, various fear. I've seen a fat lady, not relative. She had to get an injection. So they were trying to find, because she was really fat, they couldn't find the vein. And when they were jabbing this way, she was screaming and crying and sobbing, and I was a small boy that time. Anyway. Okay, so I'm not afraid of needles per se. When they give the injection, I always look at it. They say, you want to look the other side? I say, no, you give it. I'm enjoying, I'm looking. Even when they draw blood, I look at it. Because I feel so funny, you know. It's like, we are nothing but meat and blood and bones. And okay, so yeah, so I know for a fact that given it's a vaccine, it'll just be a drop. Just and finish, you finish. Mentally, I'm prepared for, you might have a headache, or you might have body pain or fever, or in some cases, some people have even fallen sick. Sick in the sense because of the reaction. My gut feeling says, might have a headache, fever or cold or something, because it's a new agent in the body. The only thing I have to declare before getting the vaccine is any medical issues. I've had a bariatric surgery and I had hemorrhoids, whereas, you know, when you shit and blood comes out. But now that is stopped. My wife, obviously being a woman, she'll have to disclose she's getting her periods and, you know, whatever. My baby doesn't have to take. So, vaccine. Okay. Sinovac first, and then we'll see. If I live, nothing happens. If I die, then, oh, poor Loy, shit, yeah. Fuck. Oh, Loy died. Yeah, then the channel goes. So something happens. I remember I made the video before even going for the bariatric surgery. I said, if I die, I spoke to all the contacts. I said, if I die. And some were like, shit, Loy, you know, what are you talking, man? Because you don't know what can fucking happen here, you know. In fact, you'll be surprised to know, I actually spoke to my wife. I actually told my wife, if in case I die, this is what you have to do. Passwords and bank accounts and money and this and that. And I told her, if you die, baby goes to your village. So we already discussed this. I know it's crazy, you know, to have such a conversation. But we had it. So yeah, the first vaccine today, I don't know what's the date, 22nd, 23rd? some date today. I don't know what's the date. Yeah. Then after 2-3 months, next vaccine, then there's a booster shot. I wouldn't be surprised if there's another booster shot. Yeah, just take it and finish it off. Anyway, it's for free. So the only benefit of getting the vaccine is if you do fall sick, it seems, then you're not going to be so severe. And another one was yeah, there are people who say herd immunity and all that. I don't want to get into all that. Wifey has been eating my brains about getting this vaccine. Okay, hell with it. Get the vaccine, finish it off. I thought, okay, we'll go get the vaccine, then I'll go have my burger, because I like to have Burger King, you know. So that's it, man. Anyway, I'll make a video after the vaccine so that, you know, I'm not becoming a mutant. As it is, I look like a mutant. And then, yeah, the following day I'll let you know how did I feel. So this is vaccine day 1. Day 1? Pre-day 1. So I'll let you know how I feel after the vaccine. Any side effects? Good, no? I can even make a video on this vaccine. Okay? Anyway, so if in case this is the last video, au revoir. Bye-bye. It was nice knowing you. To all my haters, fuck you. You know? Nothing's gonna happen. If it happens, whatever. Fuck it. Will I accept God as my God and Savior? No. Okay, too much drama, man. Fuck. Just a bloody vaccine. Anyway, another 1 hour. After I finish my videos, go for a shower and then go for the vaccine. So let's see. Anyway, put your comments down below. Let me know, have you got vaccinated? What's your story, side effects? Alright, you guys take care. Ciao.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.